Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in CoinMarketCap application. Whether you are using a mobile device or desktop, this process will guide you through the exact step. Launch open CoinMarketCap application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of CoinMarketCap, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you'll need to tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Profile Settings. On the next page, tap on Avatar. On the next page, tap on Username. Now, go ahead and erase your current name and write down a new name you'd want to change to. Username can only be changed once per 7 days, so once you enter the name right now and click on Change Username, you're stuck with this username for the 7 days. So that is how you easily change your username in CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.